What's up, beautiful people? In this video, I want to share some parables that are found throughout all religions. First is with Jesus. Before that which is become visible, all things existed in him. He holds all things within himself, but nothing holds him. Next is Sir Krishna, the Lord Krishna. Before he manifested himself, he existed within himself. Out of himself, he manifested all things. He is known as the one who alone exists. Next is Buddha. The Lord Buddha cannot be seen in visible form, nor can be heard in audible sound. Those who lead evil lives cannot perceive the Blessed One. Now is Lao Tzu, as I shared from the Tao Te Ching. Now Lao Tzu said, "The great Tao pervades all things and causes all things to come into existence." This is found through all world religions. Just a perspective to put into your mind. Let it be nurtured. Peace.